that's not sealing. Right there. So usually the first thing we do is we grab a hairdryer or a heat gun, and you've got to warm up the inside part, the bottom section of the seal first. So just under here. And you want to give it as much heat as possible. And then afterwards you close the door and you go on the outside area as much as possible. And if you find that the gap is still there, you might have to just expand it out with your fingers and hold it in place for a minute or two until it cools down, and then you can take your fingers away. If that still doesn't work and you're finding that the gap is coming back at the top, one thing I do sometimes is I bend the seal forwards. So there's like bellows on the seal here where it expands out. So if you just kind of lean it forward, like misshape it forward, bend it out like that, and just hold it down. And then it's going to expand out a lot more in that section. And then you can close the door and it should fix that part that wasn't sealing. The other thing you can try and do is you can remove the seal and turn it upside down, and surprisingly enough that can fix the problem quite often. Also check to see, put your foot underneath the door or your hand and lift the door up slightly if you can, and see when you lift it up, does that gap disappear? Because it might mean that your freezer door has dropped a bit, which is causing the gap. Yeah, so try those things and then let me know how you go.
Cool.